We're performing a hard reset right now on a Skybell 105/106. When you push the button, keep holding it. You're going to notice the color change. You're going to want to continue to hold the button.
Until you see yellow.
It's flashing blue. You want to continue to hold it. It's flashing yellow. Now you can go ahead and release. It's going to cycle through the colors during the power up cycle.
No, it won't.
There's not gonna put.
It's going to go from blue to yellow to red, green.
It's approximately 3 minutes on a power up. All right, so now it's flashing red and green. You've successfully done a hard reset on the Skybell.